And people say that Igbo people like money. Money, let me send you to people that like you. Let me send you to people that love you. They say that Igbo people, all the tribes, say Igbo people are the lovers of money. Money. Go to the people that love you. As an Igbo man right now, anywhere you are, in any country where you are, they say that you people love money. Right now, as a prophet of God, as an interboss keeper host, I prophesy to you, let money locate you, Igbo man. Let money locate you, Igbo man. Receive open door. Receive prosperity. Receive prosperity.
Odumeje mmụọ nwoke ọma asị m ise na-ekpere ikpere ụmụ Igbo ụta aka ọ esi dị n'eke dị n'olie dị n'afọ dị na nkwọ ọya anyị na-ekwu okwu ya ka ị na-eme nna m daalụ ya gazie papa nwoke ọma ya gazie onye nna ya gazie alụsị Igbo